adding and subtracting polynomials. So all we have to do is know the basic. Combine the alike terms, then simplify. So dito, i-identify natin yung exactly the same ang terms niya, specifically sa variables. In here, meron tayong p as the variable. And then although we have p here, another p, doesn't mean that they are the same. Tingnan natin yung exponent. Doon magbabase kung sila ay exactly the same or not. So in here, ang dapat na natin i-combine ay, wait muna, i-spread muna natin ito. I-remove muna natin ang close and open parenthesis. Let's copy first. Plus, since positive man yan, so diretso lang yung pag-copy. Okay. Tapos i-combine natin yung pagkaparehas ng terms. Yan. Okay. So, 5p squared plus 2p squared. So, alin po ba dyan ang magkaparehas? Ito, although 3 yan, pero ito 3 din. But it doesn't mean na pareho silang constant. Magkapareho sila ng term. Hindi sila the same. Kasi ito ay may variable, tapos ito naman wala. So we call this the constant. Ito naman yung meron siyang numerical coefficient. Meaning combination siya ng variable at constant. Therefore, hindi natin sila pwedeng ipag-combine. But, ang ilalagay natin, i-arrange natin siya kung ano yung value niya according dun sa exponent. So, the arrangement should be in descending order. So, ito si negative 3p raised to the power of 3 dito yan. Negative 3p cube. Okay, plus. Then ito si constant is negative 3. So, hindi pa tayo tapos. I-simplify na natin. Brown. Sige. We have, the final answer is, ito ko na lang ilagay, be, para mas clear. Negative 3 p raised to the power of 3. Tapos yan naman, ipag-plus yan. 5 plus 2 is 7. So, mag-plus muna tayo. So, 5 plus 2 is 7. Then, just simply copy the variables. Raised to the power of 2. P squared. Then, copy the last one, which is negative 3. Yan yung constant. So, the final answer is negative 3p cubed plus 7p squared minus 3. Let's proceed sa number 2. Okay, since negative yan, hindi pwede dire-diretso na katulad dito. Yung ginawa natin dito is dire-diretso kasi positive man yan. Pero dito, we should be careful kasi once we distribute negative to these terms, may mga changes na mangyayari. So, let's start. Copy first this one. Cube minus 2a squared. Then, start distributing. Negative 2 dyan, i-distribute yan para magiging negative 3a squared. Then, negative times negative. Of course, positive. 4a squared. Okay. Hanapin natin yung alike terms. So, ang alike terms dito ay obvious naman, no? Yan, hanapin yan. Kaparehas man yan sila. Hindi, syempre, sasama yung kasama niya. Oh. Now, ano pa ba? Ito din. Ito, ang magkaparehas niyan ay ito. Diba kasi pareho man sila ng variables, tapos exponent. Ito, automatic man yan na 1. Ito din, meron siyang constant dyan, numerical coefficient. Ganyan. Combination ng constant at variables. So, ganito lang gawin natin. I-arrange muna natin in descending order. Okay? Sige, ito si a cube. Tapos ito. Plus 4a cube. Then, copy na itong dalawa. Yan, copy na yan. So, negative 2a squared minus 3a squared. Then, finally, ano natin? Ito na rin lagyan yung sagot. Okay, positive man yan, di ba positive? Automatic 1 yan, di ba? So, 1 plus 4 equals 5. Then, copy the variables and the exponent. A cube. Okay? So, okay na yan. Ito naman, negative 2a squared minus 3a squared. Hindi, syempre, parehas yan, no? Meaning, copy the sign, then add the numbers or the constants, 2 and 3, which is 5. Then copy the variable and the exponent. The final answer is 5a cubed minus 5a squared. Thank you so much.